What's the meaning of cosmological? Cosmological. Cosmological.
Cosmological. Cosmological. The term cosmological pertains to the study of the origin and evolution of the universe on a grand scale. It involves theories and models that attempt to explain the nature, structure, and behavior of the universe as a whole. Cosmology seeks to understand the universe's fundamental properties, such as its origin, age, composition, and how it has evolved over time. By studying cosmology, we can gain insights into the universe's past, present, and future and answer some of the biggest questions about our existence and place in the universe.